Actually, our main focus aligns perfectly with NET24's emphasis on connecting agents and European institutions. This event is a unique opportunity to strengthen our connections with key educational institutions in Europe and to stay updated with the latest developments in the regions. It is a strategic fit for our growth objectives.
Our main goal is to build meaningful connection with the European institution and to identify unique programs to our students.
We are really interested in connecting with overseas institutions that offer high quality of education with affordable living expenses to introduce to the next Vietnamese generation so that they have the confidence to explore the world.
So this is my first time to attend this event. So in NET24, I found that there has a lot of potential educational countries market. So I can expand more markets, especially Latvia, France, or Poland. Wow, during the event, I'm so satisfied what is NET24 doing. So I just wish NET24 more and more success.
This is our first time to join the NET24, and it's very exciting because we are expanding and to variety education destination for our students and parents. So we hope to have more chance to meet more educator and also education provider in this event. Well, because information is one of the most important factor for us. So joining this event, we hope to be update more and more information about the program and also the visa and admission policy from all of the educators. And we hope that NET24 will provide us more and more training sessions, especially for a new agency like us. Well, as I shared before, because information is very important for us, so firstly, we appreciate all of efforts and support from NET24 to support us toward the student recruitment efforts. Moreover, we hope in the next event, NET24 will provide us an extra visa session, so that will help us, as well as other agencies, to understand and have more information and updates to support our students as well.
Hello, dzień dobry. Nice to meet you. My name is a tourist. I represent Lithuanian University, which is Vilnius University. I love very much the organizers, super sweet, very cooperative, and just generally the people you meet, the agencies, other colleagues, super nice people, very accommodating. So yeah, very much enjoy it. Generally, it's quite interesting how politics affect the education market and how it's reflected. So it's ever-changing environment, and one year you can have something that changes entirely the other years. This was what interests me, especially right now, the USA Trump elections. I'm very much interested how that will affect the current education market as a whole, worldwide.